all eyes are going to be peeled to this chart at the end of this year. All around the world, people will be sitting at the end of their seats as the bell rings to bring in the new year, and everyone is going to be looking right here for one specific move that we don't want to happen for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Let me show you what could be. It could be Bitcoin's worst nightmare ringing in the new year. Let me show you based on the facts. This is a monthly chart, and once we dipped our toe below here in the stochastic RSI back here in 2014, it took us almost 600 days of bloodbath and 600 days to recover. The next time that we dipped our toe below here was in 2018, and it took us 400 days to recover. 400 days of a bloodbath and then recovery. The last time we dipped our toe into here was back in 2022. And guess what? It took us 424 days to recover. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of days of bloodbath to recover. And guess what? Bitcoin is getting close to this level. And at the end of this year could be the first time that we dip our toe below said level, leading to hundreds and hundreds of days of bloodbath. However, there's something that could come in and swiftly save the day. And we're going to look at what could happen and what we're going to look out for happening at the end of this year. Let's get into it. Warning, time is running out. The sale is about to end. Don't miss out. Do you wish you were making more money in crypto? Do you want to recover those bad losses? Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone?
I had major problems with my investments.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
I was just investing my money and just throwing it into the abyss.
The key is right here in front of you. Get money-making buy and sell alerts directly to your phone.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
So easy to understand. This was literally changing my life. It was changing my family's life.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today. By the way, here's the best part. If you sign up right now, you're going to unlock 1 year of Bitcoin and altcoin live trading sessions completely free.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.
So here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the monthly chart. And in today's video, we're going to be digging into the stochastic RSI on the monthly chart because it's fascinating. If you see every time that we're in this yellow zone up here, it's the hottest time of the market. You can see the hottest time of the market back in 2011 was here when prices absolutely went to the moon. The hottest time of the market back in 2013 was here when we absolutely went to the moon. You can see what's happening at the top. The same is true for the bottom. This white line right here, as soon as we dip our toes below this 20 level in the stochastic RSI, it's hundreds and hundreds of days a bloodbath. It's happened every single time like clockwork without fail, and we're getting ridiculously close. From Mark, Steve's education made all the difference. We profited 50,000. From Dr. George, in just 1 week I made $70,000 profit using Steve's indicators. Carl, I made 300% trade with his system. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Don't miss out. Clock is ticking. So now, a lot of you remember our Christmas video from years ago. It was back in the glory days of 2022 when Bitcoin was at $15,000 back in 2022. We watched this chart right here, the MACD. And the only thing I wanted for Christmas was to prove all of the haters wrong and all of the herd wrong, because they were all calling me crazy to say to buy Bitcoin at 15,000. So I said, okay, I'll put further proof down. I think we're going to have this MACD cross, and I want that for Christmas, and that's the only thing I want. And that's going to further prove that 15,000 is a phenomenal buying opportunity. And right on schedule, we got this cross for Christmas right before Christmas of 2022. Let me know in the comments if you remember that. I feel like a lot of people are going to remember that. And for this Christmas of 2025, the only thing we don't want to happen, we do not want a close of the orange and the blue down below this 20 level, because we know that any confirmation of that in the past has meant multiple hundreds of days of bloodbath and no more bull run. Each time we went below here, the bull run was over unequivocally, and hundreds of days of recovery. So this Christmas in 2025, you guys tell Santa, tell Grandma Betty, tell whoever will listen, that's the only thing we want. We don't want to close below here. So at the end of the year, when you're celebrating with your friends and family, bringing in the new year, pull up this chart right here, Bitcoin US dollar index on the 1 month chart, and you throw up the stochastic RSI on the settings that come stock. You look at the 20 level with absolute precision, and you look at the blue and the orange as we close the chart at the end of the year. And if we have the orange and the blue below the 20, we are in big trouble, and we've got a couple 100 days of chaos coming. Warning, time is running out. The sale is about to end. Don't miss out.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
Don't you just wish that there was buy and sell alerts that could be sent to your phone? The key is right here in front of you.
And now with Steve's plan, I'm actually up 32,000.
I experienced my first big winning trades over 100%.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. It is amazing. It'll change your life. It changed mine.